Alright. Another day in Animal Company. Okay, let's try some stuff. Alright. Let's get out of here.
Giveaway.
Oh wait, yes, yes. Oh wait, yes, yes. Oh god, I've been looking at some of this stuff. Whoa. Oh my god. Yo, thank you. Whoa.
You're welcome.
Hey, yo, you wanna go mining in there?
Oh yes.
Let's go.
I shall go mining with y'all. You. This might be a bit. It shall not be very nice.
Oh, some walls.
Very nice squad. It will not be a very nice squad.
Where did I get them? Walls. Whoa, okay, come on, okay,
You are
let's go.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
We're gonna get a little
You
more.
know what? I'm gonna grab a different.
Right, let's jump down. It's probably really dark now. But... Oh, yo, a teleporter. Let's hit it.
Oi, that looks like a teleporter.
Whoa.
And
Does anybody want to play
What
mini
is happening? Jesus Christ.
Got you. Attack! Who wants to play? Who wants to be in the movie?
Booga booga.
Bro, you're hacking.
What the hell is happening in this lobby?
This is enough creepy.
What the hell is happening?
Dude,
Why
there's
is
a big
everyone
meeting
running
at the stage. Everyone's going.
Okay, should we go? Alright, go.
Okay, everybody, I need your attention really
What
quick.
is this? What is this for? What is this? Okay.
So I'm gonna let Blue talk. I'm gonna let him talk. He can just. So the reactor is going to explode.
Wait,
We
what?
need to bring all of our weapons, rocket launchers, and revolvers over to the reactor.
Yo, well, why? What is wrong?
What?
Why are we going there if it's gonna explode?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we might just die.
So how are we doing this exactly?
Yeah.
I don't really know. Dude, this is
What?
You're
I
the mayor.
No,
know.
this
You
makes
know
no
this.
sense, bro. This makes no sense.
We were
Um,
protest. Let me explain it.
Okay, so as he
Wait,
said
who's
earlier,
that?
we need to go get every single weapon that we can and hurry up to the reactor, because there is a malfunction going on with the reactor, and we need to start, like, cooling it down.
So
and
you're
stuff.
saying one of the
'Cause it's about to
subjects could get out right now?
We're supposed to do all the work. This is unfair. We get no pay.
Possibly, yes. I think
Yeah,
Wait,
we
we
get no
gotta go.
pay.
We gotta go, bro. We gotta go.
Okay,
Everybody
we gotta go. Guys, get your guns.
Everybody follow me.
Go. Hey, guys, we're in. Wait, what is this? What's happening right now?
What is that?
Wait, what is this?